Hello students, we can continue the third chapter, pair of linear equation, two variable. First question, Aftab told his daughter, 7 years ago, I was 7 times as old as you were then. Also, 3 years from now, I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. Represent these situations algebraically and graphically. That is our first question. So we discuss the beginning of this chapter. Firstly, we have to identify the two variables. Who are the two variable represent? Here we have two variables x and y that we can refer as the ages of Aftab and his daughter. So x, the present age of Aftab. Aftab's age equal x, daughter's age we can refer as y. Okay, so what is the first sentence? 7 years ago. What is mean by 7 years ago? 7 years ago means that is x minus 7. 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you. That means the age of Aftab's 7 years ago, before 7 years. That means x minus 7. The same way we consider daughter's age, that is y minus 7. Y minus 7. 7 years ago means that we have to subtract 7. That we have to subtract. Ago means before. Then you 7 times, I was 7 times as old as you were then, which means Aftab age is 7 times of daughter's age. Aftab age equal to 7 times of daughter's age. That we can write as x minus 7 equal to 7 times of y minus 7. We know x minus 7 and y minus 7, that are the ages 7 years ago, and Aftab's age is 7 times of his daughters. That we can rewrite x minus 7 equal to 7 into by 7y, 7 into 7 minus 49. Then variables we can write together, that is x minus 7y. This 7y bring to the left side is minus 7y equal to minus 49 plus 7. This minus 7 come to the right side is plus 7. Then x minus 7y equal minus 42. That we can refer as equation number 1. That we can refer as equation number 1. Do you understand how you get this equation? That is 7 years ago, the daughter's age is 7 years ago, the Aftab age is 7 times of his daughter. What is the second sentence? I shall be 3 times old as you will be. Also 3 years from now. 3 years from now means after 3 years, that is x plus 3 and y plus 3. Daughter's age and Aftab's age from now, after 3 years, it will be 3 times of daughter's age. 3 times of daughter's age. That we can write as x plus 3 equal to 3 times of y plus 3. That also we can solve x plus 3 equal to 3y plus 9. How can we get 9? 3 into y 3, 3 into 3, 9. Then variables we can write together, x minus 3y equal to 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3. X equal to, x minus 3y equal to 6. X minus 3y equal to 6. We got the two equations, x minus 7y minus 42 and x minus 3y equal to 6. That are the two equations we got. This is the solution, is algebraic solutions of this situation. Then we can find the values. We can substitute for drawing graph. We need some values of x and y. How can we find out that values? That we can check. Equations are x minus 7y equal to minus 42 and x minus 3y equal to 6. These are the two equations after solving the situation. Then we know we can apply x equal to 0, which implies x equal to 0, 0 minus 7y equal to minus 42. Then y equal to minus 42 by minus 7. Then minus and minus cancel, 6 and 42 cancel, equal to 6. Equal to 6. Then next is, here we can substitute x equal to y equal to 0. We can substitute y equal to 0. Then which implies x minus 7 into 0 equal to minus 42. X equal to that 7 minus 7 into 0 0, then x equal to minus 42. Then we got the two values. What are they? X and y, that we can write here. Then x equal to 0, y equal to 6. Then y equal to 0, x equal to minus 42. This way we can find out the values of first equation. Then second equation also we can find out like this way. Then x minus 3y equal to 6. X minus 3, x equal to 0, which implies 0 minus 3y equal to 6. Y equal to 6 by minus 3, that is equal to minus 2. X equal to 0, then y equal to minus 2. Then next question, next we can give x equal to 3. X equal to, we can according to our convenient values we can substitute x equal to 3, which implies 3 minus 3y equal to 6. Then 3 we can bring to the right side, it will be 3y minus 3y equal to 6 minus 3 minus 3y equal to 3. Y equal to 3 by minus 3, that is equal to minus 1. 3 by minus 3 equal to minus 1. Then what are the values of x and y in the second case? Second case, x and y. X, y. X equal to 0, y equal to minus 2. X, then x equal to 3. X equal to 3, y equal to minus 1. So these are the two values. This way we find out the value. According to our convenient ways, we can give the values to x and y. After that, solve like this way. Then getting these values, we have to draw the graph in a Cartesian plane. Okay, understand? Now we can see the next question. That we can from the textbook. You can see, all of you check the textbook. Second question. The coach of a cricket team buys 3 bat and 6 balls for rupees 3,900. The coach of a cricket team buys 3 bats and 6 balls rupees 3,900. Later, she buys another bat and 3 more balls of the same kind for rupees 1,300. Represent this situation algebraically and geometrically. So all of you read the question. Do you get the question? So what are the two things, what are the situations? That is a situation related to bat and ball. So we have two variables x and y that we can refer as the cost of bat and ball, that we can refer as cost of bat and ball, x and y. So cost of one ball, cost of one ball equal to x, cost of one bat, that we can refer as y. Cost of one ball and cost of one bat, ball and bat, that we can refer as x and y. Firstly, when I getting a question, at that time firstly we have to identify the x and y. Okay, after that we can go through on the question. She buys 3 bat and 6 ball. So She buys 3 bats and 6 balls. Firstly, she buys 6 balls. 6 balls means the cost of 1 ball is x. Then what is the cost of 6 ball? 6 ball is 6x. 6x plus bat. What is the cost of bat? That is we referred as by, then y, then 3 bat, 3y. So cost of the first case 3,900, 3,900. So one ball cost is x and the cost of 1 bat is y. So first case she brought 6 balls and 3 bat. 6 balls and 3 bat. What is the cost of that case? 3,900. What is the second case? She buys another bat and 3 more balls. Again, second case is she buys another bat. So only 1 bat she buy and 3 more balls. That is 3x plus only 1 bat. Only 1 bat. 3 balls and only 1 bat she brought. The cost of that 1,300. Do you understand getting the two equations? First equation is 6 balls and 3 bats. Cost is 3,900. So we consider the cost of one ball is x, 1 bat is y. So 6 balls 6x, 3 bats 3y. Then here is 3 balls and 1 bat. Only 1 bat she brought second case. So that is y we only consider. Got it? Then here we can substitute the values. For drawing graph we have to solve these equations. Equation 1 firstly we can consider 6x plus 3y equal 3,900. So I told you the last question we can give values according to our convenience. So look here, the huge values come, more than 1000 is there. At that time we have to give the values like 100. Okay, related the values obtained after equal sign. If 1000 it is less than 100, we can give 1 or 2, 1, 2, 3, etc. like the equal sign after we have 1,000 more values are there. At that time we have to give more than 100. Okay, more than 100. Okay, first we can give as usual way we consider x equal to 0. No, then here we can substitute x equal to 0. First case x equal to 0. X equal to 0, then y equal to, which implies 0 plus 3y equal to 3,900. Then y equal to 3,900 by 3. That is y equal to 1,300. Okay, the cost of 1 bat. Okay. 1,300. Got it? So just we give x equal to 0, then we got that y equal to 1,300. Then we can give x equal to y equal to 0. Then here we can give y equal to 0. Which implies what we get? 6x plus 3 into 0 equal to 3,900. Then 6x equal to 3,900. X equal to 3,900 by 6. 3,900 by 6. 3,900 we can divide 3,900 by 6. 36, then 3 0 5, then 3 0 0 0, then 650. Then x equal to 650. Okay, x equal to 650. So first case we got the two values. What are they? X and y. X equal to 0, y equal to 1,300. Then y equal to 0, x equal to 650. So that's why we got, you have to find out the three values. Just we find out only one, you can give 100 also. So we can see the next one more equation is there, 3x plus y equal to 1300. That also we have to solve. So that here we can do 3x plus y. Then x equal to 3x, x equal to 0, which implies 3 into 0 plus y equal to 1300. Then what is the value of y? Y equal to 1300. Y equal to 1300. Directly we give a x equal to 0. Then we got a y equal to 1300. Again we can give x equal to 100. X equal to, simply we give 100 to x. So I told you, more than 1000 is there. We can directly give more than 100. In between, not give a less values. At the end we will get a point. So if zeros are there, we can give 100. Then x equal to 100, that is 3 into, which implies 3 into x equal to 100 plus y equal to 1300. 1300. That is 300 plus y equal to 1300. Y equal to 1300 minus 1300 minus 300. Y equal to 1000. Y equal to 1000. So what are the two values getting in the first case? First case, x equal to 0 and 1300. Second case, 650 and 0. In this case, we got x equal to 0, 1300, x equal to 100, we got y equal to 1000. Y equal to 1000. Got it? So this way we can find out the solutions of the given equations. After getting these values, we have to draw a graph in a Cartesian plane and we will get the values. At that time we will get it is intersecting or coincidence or a parallel. Okay, understand? Okay, that is the topic we discussed today. Thank you. Have a nice day.